Hey guys, it's Ebby. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I thought I'd share with you how to make a quick DIY sticker book for your planner. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you won't miss any videos from me in the future. I like to use stickers, but I was wanting a way that I could carry my stickers without bulking up my planner. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a quick, easy DIY that you can make yourself starting right now. So the items that you'll need for this project consist of some pretty scrapbook paper, some cardstock, and sticker release paper. You can purchase sticker release paper online, or you probably already have some on hand. Just check your sticker stash and just save the backings from those sticker sheets and repurpose it for this particular project. And you're also going to need a ruler, a pair of scissors, a pencil, a stapler, and your booklet that you will use as a template. So to start this project, you want to gather all of your sticker release papers, and you want to make sure they are all slick side facing down, because on the matte side is where you are going to be using your booklet as a template to trace the new sticker sheets for your planner. And I just cut all of my sticker release sheets in half just to make it a little bit easier. Obviously, if your notebook is larger, you're going to use a full surface. If you have a B6 or an A5 planner, you're going to use more surface space, but I'm using a pocket size, so I'm able to get about 4 sheets from one full sheet of 8.5 by 11 sticker release paper. So once I've trimmed out all of my sticker release papers, I am ready to assemble this booklet. Creating the cover for your booklet is really easy to do. I'm going to use double-sided cardstock to make it that much more simpler. And basically what I'm going to do is take my traveler's notebook and trim it out on my cardstock, cut that out and fold it over, and I'm done. Another option you might want to do is using plain cardstock with pretty scrapbook paper. Glue the two sides together, and then using your booklet as a template, you're going to trace it around the sides and then cut it out, and then you'll have a cute little cover. Alternatively, if you're making this for your ring-bound planner, all you have to do is use one of your dividers to make a cover, and you'll follow the same steps and then hole punch it for your planner. To assemble the sticker booklet, you want to gather all of your sticker sheets, making sure the slick side is facing up, and place them inside the pretty cardstock cover. Here's a tip: you want to make sure that the sticker sheets are nested inside the crease of the cardstock cover, so that way when you go to staple the booklet together, your sticker sheets will not fall out. Now the planner sticker book is assembled, you can go ahead and add your favorite assortment of stickers and then place that sticker book into your planner. Well, I hope you liked this video. This can also be modified for your ring-bound planners, just simply by punching holes and then adding those into your planners as so, and they fit perfectly into either your personal size pocket or your A5 size planner. If you have any suggestions for DIYs that you'd like to see regarding your planner, leave some comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you'll instantly know when I post a video. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.